Excuse me, may I ask you a question?
No, sorry, I really don't have time right now. Where are we?
We're in the year 1938, and we're about to witness history happen right before our eyes.
What are you talking about?
Marie Curie and her partner Pierre are about to discover radium.
How do you know?
Because Curie obtained a pitch blende, and she noticed that there was more radioactivity than what could possibly be produced by uranium.
So how did she figure out what it is?
She gathered several tons to obtain a large enough amount to test.
So she gathered enough to test and named the element radium?
That's right. It's actually quite an interesting element. Are you ready to hear more about radium?
Yeah, I guess.
Here, at the One Stop Radium Shop, we only sell the finest samples of this element.
But I heard radium's really harmful.
That's besides the point. It has so many pluses to it that it eliminates all the negatives.
Well, okay, tell me more.
Well, you see here, we only offer the brightest silver color of this element, with an atomic number of 88 and an overall atomic mass of 226. It happens to fall under the alkali earth metals.
Well, that sounds very interesting.
And it's highly radioactive, so its decay produces a radon gas.
Wait, what?
Again, not important. Just think about its lustrous and soft texture, not about the fact that when it's mixed with nitron gas, it quickly forms a black coat of nitrate.
Well, that doesn't sound very appealing.
But just think, you could make a difference in the world with just like the Radium Girls.
The who?
The Radium Girls.
Now, why would I want to be like them?
Because in the year 1917, they worked in a radium company made great clocks.
Now, why is that important?
Like I said before, they made great clocks. I mean, even though they died from radium inhalation. The interesting thing is, radium is everywhere.
It is?
Yeah, back in the day, it was in lipstick, it was in chocolate, even in the feed they gave to chickens.
Back in the day?
Yeah, and then they realized that it could kill you if you consume too much.
So, why are you trying to sell this to me? It sounds awful.
See, it's obvious. All of the negative aspects of radium cancel out with the one positive thing it does in our society.
And that is?
The fact is that radium-223 is sometimes used to treat prostate cancer that is spread to the bones. Because your bones contain calcium, and radium is in the same group, it can be used to target cancerous bone cells. It gives off alpha particles that can kill the cancerous cells. If that doesn't want to make people utilize radium in our society, I don't know what will.
You're right! If that doesn't make people want to buy radium, I don't know what will. I'll take 20 samples.
Here's your samples of radium.
Go radium! Yeah!